I don't feel alone. When the darkness starts to cry, it reminds me of home. I always wonder how it feels for birds to fly away, instead of always being last to finally be first someday. And even though I seem alright, deep down it cuts sometimes. You'll never see it in my eyes. It hides between the lines. You'll never know, you'll never see all the parts you took from me, like tears in the rain. You won't see me fall. I disappear in the storm, like I was nothing at all. I hide my tears in the rain, wash me away. All of the nights I beg you to stay. Tears in the rain, tears in the let down all the times I was never what you need, but I needed you the most. Still you never looked at me. Now I fade into the dark, where the silence feels the same. No one hears me anymore, just these tears inside the rain. You'll never know, you'll never see what you really did to me, like tears in the rain. You won't see me fall. I disappear in the storm, like I was nothing at all. I hide my tears in the rain, wash me away. All of the nights I begged you to stay. Tears in the rain, tears in the rain. I'll be sitting, waiting for the rain. Let it take my troubles, wash away.